Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where we are about to take you on a journey through the world of down curled haircut designs by my channel Life with Style. So dear viewers, how are you? Hope so you are doing well. Dear viewers, if you are looking to revamp your hairstyle and add a touch of elegance and glamour to your look, you have come to the right place. Today in this video, very trendy and stylish hair designs, curled hair designs and hair ideas. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video if you like it. So dear viewers, in this video, I will showcase a stunning array of the down curled haircut designs that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you are preparing for a special event or a night out on the town or simply want to elevate your everyday style, these hairstyles in this video will inspire you. Dear viewers, by my video, stylish haircut designs are here, very trendy and very elegant. From soft, romantic curls to bold, voluminous waves, you will discover a variety of options that suit the different hair lengths and textures. So dear viewers, don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to my channel for more hair inspiration and tutorials and ideas. And also hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from my channel. Dear friends, get ready to unlock the secrets of the down curled haircut designs and unleashes your inner beauty. Let's get started by my video getting very stylish ideas. So dear viewers, you will share expert insights on choosing the right hair products, also hairs. So dear viewers, I always try my best to give the very useful content for you. Keep watching, stay blessed, take care.